Welcome back to another Microsoft Flight Simulator landing challenge. My name is Yaro and I help take the mystery out of the aviation industry. This is a clip from a landing during one of my live streams on Twitch and YouTube. That will hopefully help you with your landings in Microsoft Flight Simulator. Let's jump right in. Now let's do the Llanada Grande in Chile. Never been to Chile before. This is a small public airfield in Los Lagos region of Chile. Small size makes it primarily suitable for small aircraft. Okay. 3,600 foot runway. Perfect size for a Cessna 172 Skyhawk that we're flying. So no retractable gear. We'll be using 2 notches of flap. Let's see what the wind conditions are going to be like. So we want to be 100 knots and then slow down to 70 knots. Winds are again 4 knots, so a little bit of a crosswind, shouldn't be too bad. The runway elevation is 1,000 feet. So again, not super high altitude, so we'll just fly this as a normal approach. I wouldn't fly this any different than landing at sea level. So our stall flaps up speed is 48 knots, it said. Alright, so we got a G1000. So again, we're just going to eyeball this. We're going to start slowing down how much flap we have. We have flaps up, so let's get 1 notch of flaps. Let's just sit up a little bit higher here. Okay, 70 knots, there it is. We'll get 1 more notch of flaps. Maintain 70 knots. This'll... the compass is kind of in my way of seeing the runway. That's a little bit challenging, so we'll call that a challenge. So 70 knots, there it is. We'll add a little bit more power just to maintain that. Can't really see the runway, so let's see if I can't slide over. There we go. That's more helpful. So we are 700 feet above the field elevation, so we'll start descending. Yeah, this compass is really annoying. There we go. Let's move back over. 70 knots. Add a little more power. We're gonna keep descending. This looks like pretty close to a 3-degree slope. 500 feet per minute is bang on. 70 knots, so looking good. The wind's at 300, so it is slightly from our left at 4 knots, but not much of a crosswind that there's anything to worry about there. Add a little bit more power, try to nail that 70 knots. Okay, pretty close, so we're gonna start to reduce power gradually as we get over the threshold. There we go. Power is at idle. We're just gonna bleed off the speed, try to touch down in these touchdown zone markings, nice and smooth. A little bit early, so we'll probably get some points docked from that. Try to really nail center line. As you can see, we got like half a runway left and we're almost making the taxiway, so yeah, that wasn't too bad. Anytime you're flying a 172, yeah, the landing precision, so we land a little bit early, but on a short field, I mean, that's what I would want to do in real life anyway. They had us a little bit long, which is interesting, but... So hopefully this gameplay will help you nail your landings in Microsoft Flight Simulator. Follow me on Twitch and YouTube, and I'll see you in the next video.